Hello Homo sapiens, today we're going to see the project name ImageExtractor. So this project is made using Python OpenCV library and front end is made using the tkinter. First we will run our gui.py file, it is our main file. It will take a few seconds. So it's our first menu. As you can see, there is a lot of options are here: the face image extractor, weapon image extractor, car number plate, remove images, color picker, and quiet. We are going to see one by one. First we'll click on the face image extractor. It will show us a little dialog box which is asking us the enter YouTube link. So we will open our browser. This is the Sidhu Moosewala alleged killer video, and we will just going to copy the link. Now after copying the link, we are just going to put that link into our this box as an input, and we'll click on the submit button. As soon as we click the submit button, there is little pop-up window will going to open which contains a video. This video is directly fetching from the YouTube. It requires a internet connection. So as you can see here, a small squares are drawn around the face and the eyes. So in simple words, we can say that our software is detecting the faces into the YouTube video. It's not so much clear. The more clearer the video is, so more accurate it will going to detect the faces. The one can use it also with his or her own security camera footages. So the image we are going to detect will going to store into the folder called frames. Okay, so as you can see here, these are all the images. So as you can see, like at this footage, like our face is detected and it automatically taken a screenshot and put it into the folder. So like there is quite a lot of images we captured here. So as you can see, there is a lot of images, but we don't want this much images. Like these are like accurate images. So what we are going to do here is like we are going to do the sorting here, because we don't need this much images. Suppose like you are checking some CCTV footage where like you want to detect some faces, so you don't need this much images. Like you just want to detect the face. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to use the remove images options. So when you click on the remove images, there are two options are available for us. First is compare one to all, second is compare one to next 11. So in the first case, what it will going to do is like compare the first image with the remaining all the images, and the images who are the similar to each other, they are automatically going to delete. For that, you can also set the similarity, like you want to set like 80% similar, you want to delete these images. And in second option, it will going to what it will going to do is like it will compare first image with next 11. Suppose if the first image is similar with next 7 images, it will going to delete from second to 7, and next image will be the 8. And from the 8th image, it will see the next 11 images. Like these next 11 images are so much similar to this image. If they are similar, they will automatically got deleted. But if they are not, they will as it is. So we click on this option, and as you can see, it's moving little bit. So it's kind of sorting, and you can set the criteria like how much similar you want. So we are going to see the second folder, which is frame wrap. Suppose someone wants just only faces, not the whole image. So in that case, as you can see here, it is a cropped face. Okay, so if you want some faces which you want to compare with some data, or you want to perform some merging options, or so, and in that case you can use that function. So it's our next, it's car number plate extractor. We automatically put the link here, and we click on the submit button. So our window is open. It's playing little slower because I don't know, it's some code problem, or maybe it's an internet issue. So as you can see, there is a rectangle around the number plate. So indirectly, directly it is detecting the number plate, and we'll go into our folder, which is frames wrap. And as you can see here, like, these are the images. These are all the extracted number plates. Like, from the video, it detected the images and then cropped that part and stored into the separate folder. Suppose there are some security camera and like there are some lot of vehicles, so you want to just extract number plates, so you can do that instead of manually taking the screenshot. So sorry, there are some unknown error. Actually it's proceeding a little slower. The configuration of this PC is quite little low, so that's why like the recording is not so much smooth. There are a lot of things which is not recording. So we will again going to use our face image extractor. So we are playing one south video. It's like, yeah, as you can see, like the face is automatically detected, and again it will going to store into our frames folder, and like the crop face image is also stored into the frames wrap. Like there is so much